Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use ParentSquare for parents and teachers. Now here, as you can see, I have logged in using my own account, and you need to know that you can actually communicate through ParentSquare by using three methods. The first method is by using the posts, alerts, and the messages, the direct messages. So here, as you can see here in the desktop version, you have the posts, messages, and alerts right here. First, let's talk about the posts. As an admin and ParentSquare, you know exactly what's going on at your school and have full access and insight into all school to home communication. You can also send out messages to the entire school, or you can send the specific grade levels, classrooms, or groups. In ParentSquare, it integrates and sync on a rightly basis with your student information system to ensure accurate reach at all times and minimal effort for all users. Now let's start by sending out an emergency alert from the application. Now to do so, you should simply click on alerts. Then you want to select any one of these options. Then you'll have to choose also one of these options. Choose the language or include the students. Then click on send urgent alert and click on yes, send. Now when going on desktop, go and click on alerts. Then here you can simply click on send urgent alert. Now let's talk about the second way that you can actually use in order to communicate through ParentSquare, which is the post. And this is my favorite part. Now, when you go back to the main interface, you can simply click on post right here. Once you click on post, it will show you here this template. So now we can choose the type of the font from these menus right here. You can even choose who you want to send these or this post for. You can choose the subject. You can even attach forms, permissions, items. You can ask for them. You can attach photos or files. You can request volunteers. You can request payment. You can post add-on a calendar, for example, or request RSVP. So this is a good feature. Now here, as you can see, I can add the calendar. As you can see, I can request an RSVP. You can ask for a volunteer and type here the number needed and the task time. You can even ask for a payment. So this is the good thing with ParentSquare. Now I will go back. Now here, as you can see, I can send the message to a specific one right here. So I'm sending it to this one. You can even add additional questions like these questions right here. You can also send out newsletters with the newsletter template option. You can find it just right here. Here you have newsletter on the top right side here. So here, as you can see, you have the template. Now the third option that you can actually use in order to communicate by using ParentSquare is the direct messages. You can direct message only one person or even a group. So it's just like WhatsApp, Viber, or any other communication platforms, but all in one platform, which is ParentSquare all-in-one platform. You can use it only for school affairs and so on. And the good thing is that it even gives you analytics. So here, as you can see, we have some analytics. Here we have the user permissions in addition to some tables that are very important. So I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. And if you have any questions, you can drop them down below in the comments. I read all the comments. Do not worry. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.